Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to collect something new and possibly surprising. If you do follow me over on Instagram and Facebook, you'll probably already be able to have a guess at what it is. If you don't, now's your chance to have a little guess in your head. So I'm off to go and get a lathe. A few reasons why I want to get a lathe. Possibly the main reason is I want to start making my own tooling in the workshop, including things for working on the Land Rovers and all of the other things that I get up to. I want to get into machining and generally making things as well, and I've started with getting a lathe, as everyone who knows about machining will tell you the lathe is the heart of the workshop and the grandfather of all machine tools. So because I'm absolutely bonkers, I am travelling through the night down to Ilminster. So we are now passing by Gareth the 110's birthplace, and we are just going to keep going as long as possible because we need to get there in the morning. So I'm now stopped off at a services, just having a quick break, grabbing a bite to eat, and then we will soon hit the road again. And off we go, the last leg of the journey. Gareth is doing super well as always. This is my exit now, approximately about 15 minutes away from the actual place, so I'm going to find somewhere to stop for the night. So brushing my teeth now, parked up for the night, 15 minutes away from the place that I'm picking the lathe up. And this is how I slept. It is a little bit of a tip, so don't mind the mess. There's jerry cans of fuel, big bottles of water, bags of food, a million pillows, etc. So setting off nice and early now. The sunrise was absolutely unreal on this morning. Don't worry, this part is sped up. So we got there in one piece, and of course admiring the 110. Now lifting the lathe onto the trailer. This is the correct way to lift as per the owner's manual. Here we are using a special Colchester eye bolt and plate that clamps directly to the lathe bed up towards the headstock. The weight is then balanced out by moving the carriage and the tailstock. Also using a 2-ton sling, the lathe weighing around 1,200 kilograms. So to stop the lathe flying down the M1, I used a lot of ratchet straps. The smaller ones are to strap the ancillaries down, which would have been too time consuming to take off, and some of the big straps tying it hard down over the bed, with a few tying it rearward in case of heavy braking. And of course a Ferrero Rocher brake, absolutely needed. On our way back home now, which took about 3 years. No, it didn't, it took most of the day, but it felt about 3 years. It really has seen the whole of England, this lathe. The lathe I have gone for is the Colchester Triumph 2000, this being the later Mark III version with the electronically braked spindle. It has a 15-inch swing and 50-inch bed length between centres. It also has a gap bed to enlarge the swing up to 21 inches. I went for this because it is a good mid-sized toolroom lathe, which should be able to accommodate for the varied amount of jobs I intend to use it for. These are known to be an excellent mid-level industrial lathe, which are very easy to use. and at the unit now ready to be installed. So it took a few of us to get it actually into the workshop. We got it off of the trailer with a skip truck, and then it just took a few of us to actually get it into its spot in the workshop. But that is it for today. I'm going to show it in another video in the workshop, and we're going to get stuck into cleaning it down. But I just thought I'd upload this video to kind of show you guys what I've been up to and to introduce something a bit new to the channel. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time.